Hey friends, if you wish to override regional default format, the default regional default, format settings on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, and then go to the time and language tab. Select language and region in the right pane. Now the country can be whatever. Let's say that the country for the language is United States, but if you select recommended as a default setting, it is a default setting, then it will pick that up. But if you wish to change the regional format to, let's say, Australian, then you can. Okay, Windows apps will still consider the country to be United States or whatever you have selected, but the regional format for the language can be different. So you can change it to, let's say, English Australia, or you can change it to the Chinese one or anything that you wanted to. But you cannot change it beyond the language. Like if your language is English, you cannot use the format for a different language. For that, you will have to change the language altogether. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.